What if there existed a machine so powerful it could outperform any other in existence? A machine shrouded in secrecy, yet its capabilities are making waves in the world of technology. Welcome to the world of the Tianhe-3 supercomputer. In the heart of Guangzhou at the National Supercomputer Center, a technological marvel was quietly born. Its name, the Tianhe-3, or Xingyi as it's also known. This machine is not just any supercomputer, but a giant leap forward in supercomputing technology, potentially surpassing the capabilities of the much-anticipated El Capitan supercomputer being developed by Hewlett-Packard Enterprise and AMD. Output? In November of 2023, an analysis of the top 500 supercomputer rankings suggested that this machine could have a peak performance of 2.05 exaflops and a sustained performance of 1.57 exaflops on high-performance LinPack. This would make it, as many have come to believe, the most powerful machine yet assembled on Earth. The masterminds behind this monumental achievement? The National University of Defense Technology in China. This is not their first rodeo, as they have previously built the Tianhe-1 and Tianhe-2 supercomputers, both of which made significant impacts on the supercomputing world, with the Tianhe-2 still ranking among the top 30 supercomputers even after several years of operation. Output? One intriguing aspect of the Tianhe-3 is its processor. A recent case study provided some insight into the machine's architecture, revealing that the Tianhe-3 uses a hybrid device with CPU and accelerator compute, as well as 3 different kinds of memory, 2 of which are located in the compute complex. The Tianhe-3 is not just a supercomputer, it's a technological beast. It's a device that is more akin to the AMD Antares MI300A CPU-GPU hybrid than to the discrete CPU-GPU systems we see pushing the flops in AI and HPC systems today. But the Tianhe-3 isn't just a testament to raw power, it's a versatile machine, designed to support a range of application scenarios, including high-performance computing, AI large model training, and big data analysis. It's expected to boost the multi-field application service capabilities of the National Supercomputing Guangzhou Center and provide services to Guangzhou City and Guangdong Province. And so, the tale of the Tianhe-3 supercomputer unfolds, a machine shrouded in mystery, yet undeniably powerful. A machine that is not just a supercomputer, but a testament to the limitless possibilities of technological advancement.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.